The most recent and greatest illustration of the value that sports leagues, businesses, and even sovereign wealth funds find in associating themselves with the world's top sportsmen is Phil Mickelson's rumored $200 million contract with the Saudi-backed LIV Golf Tour. According to David Carter, who created the consulting company Sports Business Group and is a professor of sports business at USC, athletes are strategic assets of the leagues in which they play. Before they were just employees. Mickelson would become a member of one of the sport's most elite clubs, those players who have made more than $1 billion in their careers, if he is found to be responsible for the LIV golf payout, which he did not expressly refute when challenged with the news at a news press conference this week. There are 6 athletes that have earned that much money thus far. These multi-billionaires athletes have transcended the games in which they have dominated and established themselves as worldwide celebrities. Let's take a look at these 6 record-breaking billionaire athletes. Here we go. Tiger Woods, $1.72 billion. At his height, the 46-year-old Woods was the most active athlete endorser in history, earning over $100 million a year from endorsement deals and dominating Forbes' annual list of the highest-paid sportsmen for 10 years in a row. Cristiano Ronaldo, $1.24 billion. The player with the most goals scored in history has more than 690 million followers on social media, which enables him to command astronomical sponsorship fees from companies like Nike, Herbalife, and Clear Shampoo. He invests in Tatel Eateries and the upcoming soccer social network app Zuju GP, and he continues to earn top salaries while playing for the Manchester United. LeBron James, $1.16 billion. In addition to his $41 million contract with the Los Angeles Lakers and his lifetime deal with Nike, the 37-year-old basketball legend sold a sizable minority stake in his production company Spring Hill in October for an estimated $725 million. He has also acquired stock shares in a number of businesses he has sponsored, like the at-home fitness business Tono, which contributed to his $1 billion net worth. Lionel Messi, $1.15 billion. The Argentine forward, although accepting a hefty wage reduction when he transferred from Barcelona to Paris Saint-Germain in August, was the most paid athlete in the world for the previous 12 months. In addition to long-term contract with Adidas, Budweiser, PepsiCo, and Hard Rock International, he secured a $20 million contract agreement with fan engagement app Socios in March. Roger Federer, $1.09 billion. Despite not competing since Wimbledon in July of last year, the 40-year-old Swiss maestro made more money off the field than any other athlete in the world over the same period. He is a top salesman for Uniqlo and Rolex and has a large stake in the budding sneaker company On. Floyd Mayweather, $1.08 billion. When he earned $275 million from his bout with Conor McGregor in 2018, Mayweather made the largest single paycheck in sports history. Because he chose to manage his own promotion organization for his fights, he was able to share in the profits from the 4 most lucrative fights in boxing history, including pay-per-view, gate, sponsorships, merchandise, and international TV partnerships. And there you have it, the current billionaire athletes. We hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.